this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're working on another sketch for Chrissy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and it is day 23. This sketch was designed by Susan Stringfellow for Sketch Savvy. So thank you to Chrissy for putting this together, and to Susan for letting us use this sketch, and Sketch Savvy as well for letting us use this sketch. This is going to be a very easy sketch to recreate with what I have. It's just a base background and it looks white, so you can leave it to your interpretation, and then a bunch of layers behind it and some tags, a couple of flags, title. That's just a fun, very generic layout that you can use for a lot of different ideas. So I pulled out some photos of my dogs, and this was our new puppy Jasper, and he was out in the barn playing with us while I was doing chores. And I brought out the Best Friends Forever collection from Close to My Heart. And some of these items might still be available on their website. I am a maker, so if you need anything, my links are in the video description below. You go ahead and click there and see if there's something you would like. I'd appreciate it. And I thought I'd bring out some of these papers, and I just love these. They are so cute. Look at those doggies. Oh, yeah. There's the kitty one on the other side, too. So if you like doggies, you have one. If you like kitties, the other one. But of course, you could, use a little from each side to incorporate into your layouts. So with this kit, I also got some cardstock to use, the coordinating cardstock. Close to My Heart tries to think of everything to give you to coordinate with your layouts, and then the directions for several layout ideas that they have put together. And then this really nice sticker sheet. Look at that. So cute. So I'm sure I will use some of these. And the bones are the fish. Why do they think girls are cats and boys are dogs? That's all right. They can only have so many choices. So some more of the dog paper, another sticker sheet. Yeah, when I get done with the collection, I put everything left into a bag. They have really nice 12 by 12 bags that their collections and kits and papers come in. And I just keep reusing those, and they're great for storage. So I don't have a lot of scraps in this. I am going to just have to use new things. This sticker sheet has a few things gone, so we'll use that one. But I do think I'm going to use this as the base, and then I will incorporate some of the other papers as my layers. I pulled out my little tag bins to see if I could incorporate some tags that would go with the colors in the collection. And this one might go. That's a peach, not flamingo. All right. And I had, those are my extra small, then I have small ones, and I can see the flamingo one right there. And let's see. There's the Carolina. Looks good. So 1, 2, I only need 2 tags. So that might be good. I think I'd like it to bring in a brown one or a cream one, because they're in the hay. So we'll bring out both of those just in case. And let's see, is there anything in here? These are my large. Nope, these are my mediums. Let's see if I can get these so I can look at them. Oh, there's a fun green one. I might have some green in the layout, so I'll keep that out. I'll bring a white one out just in case I want to use it. There's 2 there. I love using the thin cuts to make my tags. It makes them really nice and sturdy. Okay, so now I'm going to cut down my layers, and these are the scraps I pulled out from that collection. A few scraps cardstock as well. So I will layer them up, and oh, here's the green. Does that match? No. So we'll put that tag back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these pieces laid out and fast forward through it so you can see me do it, and then we will put it together. Now, since I'm using this on the background, I'm going to cut one big piece to cover some of the area in a square or rectangle type fashion so that you can see the items here a little bit better. I may not need it, but I can cut it out and see what it looks like in case I do want it. Okay, and I'll probably make it 8.5 by 8.5. It gives it a good border around the outside for this paper to still show. Okay, I had some of these letters already cut out from another layout kits that I made, and I thought I would try to use them because they're perfect. So I thought I would try to color them with the peacock color. This is retired, but it was a color that I thought would be close enough and dark enough to hide the color of the letter. So I'm just going to use my ink blender, which, you know, has a dark turquoise color on it, and it looks like it covers it pretty good. So let's see. Yeah, I think that'll work. I might have to add a little more color to this. I can still see the lagoon color through. I think that's close enough for me. So I will color these, and then I can stack some of these letters together because I have several that'll give them some height when I put them on the layout. Okay, I brought out the stamp set that went along with this collection, and I think I'm going to stamp the Oh Yappy Day, and let's see what other one was. Oh, My Best Friend Has Paws, because it's fitting with the Furever Friends title, and maybe I could put it down below here on a, maybe even on a tag. Let's see, will it fit? No. No. I know it'll fit on that white tag for sure. All right, so maybe I could use that down here, and then the title is going to go up here. We'll see how it looks. I do have some dog bones here I could add just as little fillers, and of course some hearts and a ball and footprints, but I don't want to make it too busy because it already has the busy pattern in the background. So I will get stamping. I'm going to start putting everything down now because I kind of have a good idea of what I'm going to do. Now, this piece needs to be longer, and I'm going to cover the space in between with the photo. So it's going to be elongated like that. And the white piece that's here, I think I'm going to use a blue border on it to give it a little definition from the other white here. It was really blending in and getting lost. So that really gives it a line from that background, makes it much more prominent. I'm going to put a little adhesive on my Versamat in the corners just to keep this down so that it doesn't move while I'm attaching everything. And the adhesive from the ATG gun is really nice because it just rolls right up with your fingers when you want to remove it. Now I'm going to take my title and glue it down, and I'm just going to follow along this piece here as a ledge for my letters. And I did leave a little spot here, so I'm going to have to find something to put there. I didn't notice it until just now. It's okay. It's just room for embellishment. I can cut out another little dog or maybe one of the stickers from the sticker sheet that I haven't added yet. Okay, I'm going to take my mint shimmer brush from Close to My Heart, shake it up to make sure the ball is rolling, and I'm going to add some splatters to my page. This is always fun. It just brings everything together. And I'm also going to add some to the letters. This will make them look more together, because I can tell the difference in the ones that are the off color, the U and the V, but they're not too bad. I don't know if anyone that looks at the page would be able to tell the difference. Can you tell the difference? Let me know if it's something that you would want to correct or not. And while I'm doing this, please like and subscribe if you could. It really helps the channel. And share too if you have anyone you know that might like this. And make sure that you follow along in the playlist that is in the video description to watch everyone else's interpretation of this sketch. So this one turned out really cute. Oh, there's a big blob there. Got it. Okay, so here's some close-ups. So you can see the shine maybe on the letters. It's just so subtle, but just enough. It's a nice page. I really enjoyed this. Thank you again to Christy and to Susan Stringfellow for Sketch Savvy that let us use this sketch. Have a wonderful day.